Hello everyone! Looking for the top 5 best portable toilet for camping to stay comfortable on your outdoor adventures? In today's video on budget buying, we'll explore the most reliable and travel-friendly portable toilets for camping and RV life. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Camperfect portable toilet for camping. Camperfect portable toilet for camping is designed to bring convenience, stability, and hygiene to outdoor living, making it a practical solution for travelers who need reliable sanitation support away from permanent facilities. Built with a taller 16.7-inch structure, it offers a more stable and spacious seating experience, helping reduce wobbling or deformation even on uneven outdoor terrain. This thoughtful design makes it suitable for a wide range of users during camping trips, hiking expeditions, boating activities, or emergency situations. One of its key advantages is its quick setup system. The portable toilet can be assembled in just seconds, allowing users to create a private sanitation space almost anywhere. Whether at a crowded festival, a remote hiking site, or a temporary outdoor retreat, it ensures immediate usability without complicated installation steps or tools. Durability is another important aspect of this camping toilet. It is built with weather-resilient materials designed to withstand diverse environments, from humid rainforests to dry desert conditions. This ensures consistent performance even when exposed to challenging outdoor elements, making it a dependable companion for long trips and unpredictable weather. Privacy and hygiene are also carefully considered in its design. The inclusion of a privacy screen helps users maintain discretion, while odor control features contribute to a more comfortable and clean experience in outdoor settings where facilities are not available. These elements make it especially useful during emergencies or in remote areas where sanitation options are limited. Versatility is at the core of this product. Its collapsible and lightweight structure allows easy transport and storage, making it ideal not only for camping but also for hiking, boating, road trips, and disaster preparedness kits. Overall, it serves as a reliable and multi-purpose sanitation solution for anyone spending time outdoors. Coming in at number 4, the Porta Potti portable toilet for camping is a practical and versatile sanitation solution designed for people who need reliable comfort away from traditional facilities. Whether used in RVs, boats, trucks, vans, camping trips, healthcare settings, or off-grid living, it delivers convenience and hygiene in a compact, travel-friendly form. Built with a focus on usability, this portable toilet features an ergonomic handle that makes it easy to carry and position wherever needed. Its compact structure ensures it does not take up unnecessary space, making it ideal for tight interiors such as campers and small vehicles. The integrated piston flush system is designed for simple operation, providing a smooth and efficient flushing experience without complex mechanisms. Hygiene is a key strength of this model. A sealed valve system is incorporated to prevent odors from escaping the holding tank, helping maintain a fresh and comfortable environment even during extended use. This makes it especially suitable for enclosed spaces where odor control is essential. Cleaning and maintenance are also made straightforward. The removable seat and cover allow users to clean the unit quickly and thoroughly, ensuring better sanitation with minimal effort. When it comes time to empty the tank, the rotating pour-out spout simplifies the process, allowing controlled and mess-free disposal. Overall, the Porta Potti portable toilet is designed to offer a balance of convenience, cleanliness, and portability. Its thoughtful construction supports a wide range of outdoor and travel scenarios, making it a dependable choice for anyone seeking a practical sanitation solution on the go. At number 3, we have the Alpcour portable toilet for camping. The Alpcour portable toilet for camping is designed to bring full bathroom convenience to outdoor adventures, road trips, boating, and travel. It offers a reliable and compact sanitation solution that ensures comfort wherever you go, eliminating the need for inconvenient emergency restroom searches while on the move. With its thoughtfully engineered structure, it delivers the feel and functionality of a real home toilet in a portable form. Built for performance, this portable toilet features an impressive 60-plus flush capacity powered by a built-in piston pump system. It delivers strong and consistent flushing action without requiring any plumbing or external water hookups. The unit includes a large 3.2-gallon freshwater tank paired with a 5.8-gallon waste tank, allowing extended use and reducing the frequency of emptying during trips. comfort, and durability are central to its design. Constructed from heavy-duty materials, it is built to resist odors, rust, and corrosion, while remaining lightweight enough for easy transport. The sturdy seat is designed to support users of all ages, making it suitable for families, including children, adults, and seniors. Ease of maintenance is another key feature. A 360-degree sprayer helps keep the bowl clean after each use, while a rotating spout ensures safe and hygienic waste disposal when the tank is full. An integrated waste level indicator allows users to monitor capacity, and an anti-leak drain valve helps securely contain liquids and odors for added cleanliness. For added convenience, the toilet comes with a portable carrying case, making it easy to store and transport anywhere. It also promotes an eco-friendly approach by reducing reliance on disposable liners, chemical additives, and excess water usage. Overall, the Alpcour portable toilet is a practical, travel-friendly solution that combines comfort, hygiene, and sustainability for outdoor living. Next up at number 2 is the Seaflo portable toilet for camping. The Seaflo portable toilet for camping is engineered to deliver dependable sanitation performance for RVs, motorhomes, campers, and marine environments. Built to meet IAPI TS1 and IAPI MOZ 124 standards, it aligns with strict North American plumbing requirements, ensuring reliable flushing, water efficiency, and consistent operation in both recreational and long-term travel applications. Its design reflects tested performance suitable for demanding outdoor and mobile living conditions. Widely trusted across the RV industry, Seaflo serves as an OEM supplier for many leading manufacturers, including Forest River, Winnebago, Jayco, Thor, Grand Design, and several others. Its adoption as factory-installed equipment highlights its proven reliability and consistent performance in real-world use across a broad range of motorhomes, campers, and travel trailers. Comfort is a key feature of this portable toilet, designed with a true residential seating height of 18.4 inches and an elongated ergonomic seat. This ensures a familiar and comfortable experience, closely matching home bathroom standards, making it especially suitable for extended trips and full-time RV living. The toilet is also designed for straightforward installation, compatible with standard RV plumbing layouts. While the floor flange is not included, it can be easily added through separate purchase or optional installation bundles, allowing flexible setup options for different RV configurations. User convenience is enhanced with a soft close seat and lid system that prevents slamming, reduces wear on hinges, and ensures quiet operation during travel. This adds both durability and comfort to everyday use. For efficient sanitation, the Seaflo portable toilet features a powerful tri-directional gravity flush system. This advanced flushing technology provides strong bowl coverage, minimizes streaking, and ensures effective waste removal while maintaining low water consumption. The result is a cleaner, more hygienic bowl after each use. Overall, the Seaflo portable toilet combines durability, comfort, and efficient flushing performance, making it a reliable sanitation solution for modern RV and camping lifestyles. Finally, at number 1, we have the SereneLife portable toilet for camping. The SereneLife portable toilet for camping is designed to bring the comfort and convenience of a home bathroom wherever your journey takes you. Whether you are camping in the wilderness, traveling on the road, or spending time on a boat, it offers a reliable and hygienic solution that helps you stay comfortable and worry-free. With its full-size seat and a 5.2-gallon holding tank, it closely mimics the experience of a standard household toilet, making outdoor living significantly easier and more convenient. Built with practicality in mind, this portable toilet features a double-sealed drain valve that locks in waste and effectively prevents unpleasant odors and leaks. This ensures a clean and fresh environment every time it is used, even in challenging outdoor conditions. The easy push-button flushing system sprays fresh water around the bowl for a thorough and efficient clean, providing a sanitary experience without requiring electricity or external water hookups. Designed for extended use, the unit includes a 3.2-gallon freshwater tank capable of delivering over 80 flushes before needing a refill. This makes it ideal for longer trips where access to facilities may be limited. When it comes time to empty the tank, the rotating no-splash pour spout allows for quick, safe, and mess-free disposal. Overall, The SereneLife portable toilet offers a practical, hygienic, and travel-friendly sanitation solution that enhances comfort and confidence during any outdoor adventure. Stay comfortable no matter where your adventure takes you. Check the price link in the description to find the perfect portable toilet for your camping needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more outdoor gear reviews and recommendations.